Today we are going to be talking about using the Fairlight page in Davinci Resolve 18 and the top 3 best tips to improve your audio quality. My name is Vortex Davinci and let's get started. Tip 1. Using the equalizer tool. The equalizer tool can be found right here. If you left click once it will turn off, and then if you press it again it will turn back on. If you double click it, it will come up like this, and you can change how the audio is at the beginning or the end of your clip, and then you can test it out. Tip 2. Using the range mode tool. You can find it right up here, and to activate it either press on it or press R. So for this I made sure to get some extra clips, but you scan the bits that you want, so hold on to left click and then you can move them like that. It can be a really great way to move multiple clips at once, and it does cut out certain parts if you don't do the whole thing. As I've just shown, you can move it back or you can just move it wherever you want, and then you press left click away from it to deactivate that whole bit, and you can just go back to normal. Tip 3. Using the razor tool. If you are interested, I have a video on different ways to cut clips in Davinci Resolve, and it's called 4 ways to expertly cut a clip in Davinci Resolve 18, and I'd recommend checking it out if you're interested. The razor tool, which is up here, so you either press on it or you use Control B, but you move to the certain bit that you want to cut, you press on it, or if you want to use all 3, you just don't press on a clip, and then you use Control B, or you just press on it, and then it will cut, just like that. If you did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe, and I'd recommend checking this video out that's about to show up right about now.